Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to talk about your daily routine in English. I get up at 5 o'clock, then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that I take a shower, then after I get ready for school and have a breakfast. Later on I go to school and attend my classes. After that I return to home by bus. Then I wash my hands and have lunch. Later on I do my homework and then after I play some video games. After that I have my evening snacks and then I do some exercise for 1 hour. After some time, I had dinner. Then I watch TV. After that, I drink milk and brush my teeth. Then I go to bed. In these daily routine sentences, we have learned the use of then after that, after some time, later on, and. That's all for this video. Thank you.